Hello everyone. I'm Ornan99. And this is how to make a marble race part 1 marbles. Firstly, choose the circle tool. Then make a marble 0.25 meters. I prefer that. Then right-click the marble and go to Appearance. And uncheck Draw Borders and draw Circle Cake. You can select the color whatever you want. Then copy the marble. You can press Clone or hold Ctrl key while dragging the marble. Then again right-click the marble. Go to Geometry Actions and press Add Tracer. Do it for every marble. You can set the fade time and diameter whatever you want. But I prefer 0.2 seconds fade time and 0.40 meter diameter. And again do it for every marble. Then select all tracers and go to Selection and press Move Selected to back. And this is how to make marbles. Like and subscribe for more how to make a marble race in Algodoo parts. As well, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on other parts. Bye.